Okay, here we are again. So what I wanted to do is I'm trying to just make them very short little videos so that you can just pop on, watch it, maybe rewind it and watch it again just to make sure that you have the concept. So the next one that I'm going to do, and this is still 1.1. I don't know if I said that. So this was section 1.1. So this is your homework too. So when you're working through these, most students are pretty comfortable with solving, any type of equation, inequality, that kind of thing. Where students panic is a word problem. But what you have to understand is, especially in the business world, if you go into your job, your boss is not going to sit there and hand you a worksheet with a bunch of equations on it and say, okay, just solve these. I'll pay you for 8 hours for you to sit here and solve problems all day, right? The just straight equations, right? You're not going to just sit there and do, 100 equations on a piece of paper. What's going to happen is you're going to go into work, your boss is going to come in and say, hey, we have this problem. Our profits are dropping. We need to figure out, okay, why are they dropping? Where can we make adjustments? What kind of things can we do to solve the problem? So it's a word problem, right? It's something that you're given a set of instructions, you're given some information, you have to come up with the best solution, right? So what I'm going to do, again, share my screen. And where'd it go? There it is. Okay. All right. So here's a word problem. This is one of the favorite ones. So, and you'll see this on the quiz. So this isn't just the homework. You actually see this on the quiz also. So you look at that and you go, oh my gosh, it's a lot of words. But when you're talking to someone, it's a lot of words. That's just the way it is. This just happens to be on paper. So what you want to do is you want to read through it first. And then you're going to read through it again and start pulling out information that's going to be important to the problem. All right. So for instance, if I'm asking you to figure out how many students we have in 2 different rooms, and I give you the room number, that is information that you don't really need, right? So if I say in room 103, we have 54 students. Well, the important piece of information is the number of students, not the room number. So you want to make sure that when you pull information out, that it's information that is needed for this particular type of problem. Okay, so a bus fare in a city is $2. Okay, so put that in your head. It costs $2 every time you ride the bus. People who use the bus have the option of purchasing a monthly coupon book for $30. So you can purchase a monthly coupon book for $30. It's a one-time purchase. With the coupon book, the fare is reduced to 50 cents. So if I purchase a $30 coupon book, now the bus fare went from $2 down to 50 cents. Okay, so the bus fare is lowered, but I paid $30. How many times must someone use the bus so that the total monthly cost without the coupon book is the same as the cost with the coupon book? So here's some information that we're going to need. Let me get my pen. All right. First piece of information. We have a $2 bus fare. Okay. Second piece of information. We have a coupon book for $30, and I'm going to link it. When I purchase the coupon book, now the bus fare is 50 cents per bus ride. All right. What they're asking is, when is the without coupon book, right? So that's $2 per ride. When is the without the coupon book going to be the same as with the coupon book? That's the question. When is it the same? When is it equal? And so with the coupon book is $30 plus the 50 cents per ride. Okay. Now express the total monthly cost to use the bus with a coupon book. That's your F function. So this is where you have to really be aware of which function goes with which. Okay, and I just did that wrong. Hang on, let me erase that. Okay, I did the wrong color. Okay, so F is with the coupon book. Okay, so we have our coupon book costs in green. G is without the coupon book. Okay, F is with the coupon book. G is without the coupon book. All right, so you have to have that separation, right? They're two different they're two different functions. Okay, so here we go. F is the first one. So F is with the coupon book. So this is, I'm gonna have to actually type it in because I want to get to the next part of the question. All right, so notice again, as soon as I put the cursor in the box, some icons come up. You may or may not need them. So with the coupon book is $30 plus 50 cents per bus ride. And where do I get the X? The X is sitting right here. The number of times in the month the bus is used X. So it tells me what the variable is. So this is with the coupon book, I pay for the coupon book, and then it costs me 50 cents per bus ride. Okay, that's the F function. The G function is without the coupon book. So that is going to be $2 per bus ride, no matter what, not paying the 30 bucks. Okay, those are your two functions. Now I'm going to check my answer. Yay. All right, now we're to the next part of the question. Determine the number of times in a month the bus must be used so that the total monthly cost without the coupon book is the same as the total monthly cost with the coupon book. So that is where we are setting them to equal each other. So we have 30 plus 0.5x is going to equal, it's the same as $2 per x. And I can write this as 2x if you want, just to get rid of the zeros. Okay, so here's our equation. We have 30 plus 0.5x. This is with the coupon book. When is that going to be equal to without the coupon book? Straight equation. Now all you have to do is get your x's together. So we have 1.5x equals 30. And notice it doesn't matter which way I go. Grab my calculator. Doesn't matter which way I go. I can move my variables to the right, numbers to the left, or variables to the left and numbers to the right. So I have 30 divided by 1.5. So I'm dividing both sides by 1.5. And I get x equals 20. So great. Mathematically, we know how to do it. Now we have to figure out, okay, does that answer make sense? With math, your answer should always make sense. You should never get an answer that it doesn't make sense. So when I look at that, what did the word problem say the X represents? The X represents the number of times the bus is used. So what that means is I need to use the bus 20 times in order to make these two equations equal. So if I ride the bus 20 times without the coupon, it's going to cost me $40. If I ride the bus 20 times with, sorry, my dog's growling, 20 times with the coupon, it's going to be 30 plus 0.5 times 20. So 30 plus 10 is 40. They're the same. Okay. All right. So I don't know if there's another question. I don't think there is. So let's check. Good job. There we go. Okay. All right. So I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to let you kind of work through it. Do a similar exercise. Do these as often as you can or as many times as you can. And let me know if you have questions. See you next time.